Fundamentals of charging. Model S comes standard with an onboard charger capable of accepting up to 48 amps and can be upgraded to a high amperage charger which allows up to 72 amps for faster charging. Included with your Model S is a mobile connector and adapter to plug into a 240-volt outlet called a NEMA 1450. This provides a maximum of 40 amps to the vehicle, allowing for up to 29 miles of range per hour of charge. Also included is an adapter for a standard 120-volt outlet and an adapter for public charging stations. For faster charging and more convenience, purchase and install a Tesla wall connector at home and leave the mobile connector in the trunk for travel. The wall connector can provide up to 34 miles of range per hour for Model S with the standard charger and 52 miles per hour for vehicles with the high amperage charger upgrade. For on-the-go charging, Tesla's developed two distinct networks, supercharging and destination charging. Superchargers are for recharging quickly on road trips. A supercharger can replenish half the battery in as little as 20 minutes. This is typically enough to get you to the next supercharger station or to your destination. Positioned at convenient locations along major highways across the world, an increasing number of hotels, resorts, shopping centers, and restaurants now offer the convenience of destination charging. These partners have installed Tesla wall connectors for your convenience while you dine, shop, or stay the weekend. While local daytime charging is rarely necessary in a Tesla, with your included J1772 public charging adapter, you can charge your Tesla at any public electric vehicle charging station. While many of the public stations being installed today offer 24 amps, you may encounter some with less power output. To monitor your Tesla's charging progress, the instrument panel displays the charging status of your vehicle. You can monitor the charging rate per hour and the estimated increase in driving distance. The charging status displays the time remaining until fully charged and the total voltage and current being supplied to the vehicle. Charging your Tesla is much like charging a cell phone or laptop. Simply point the end of the charge connector at the car and press its button with your thumb. The charge port will open and light up white to indicate that it is ready for the charge connector. When you plug in the charge connector, the charge port will briefly turn blue to indicate that the car is communicating with the charge source. The charge port will then lock and switch to green to indicate that Model S is charging. The green light will pulse slower as charging approaches completion. When you lock Model S while charging, the charge port will go dark. To unplug Model S, first be sure that the car is unlocked. Depending on whether or not charging has completed, the charge port will either pulse or steadily illuminate green. Press the button on the charge connector. The charge port will turn briefly to blue and then to white to indicate that it is okay to remove the charge connector. The charge port will close automatically after a few seconds. For more information on charging, please review the owner's manual.